folks, welcome back to Thursday Cooking with Kevin. I'm your host, Kevin. This week we have a little bit of a special treat. It is called Mexican street corn salad. Very easy recipe. There are a few ingredients, so I'll read them out for you. Now the equipment is 12-inch cast iron skillet. I don't have a cast iron skillet. I'm just using one of our old frying pans. So the ingredients: 4 cups of corn, about 5 years, or you can do a couple of cans, and that's what we did. We bought a couple of Mexican corn, tablespoon of olive oil, that's for the pan, half a red bell pepper chopped, half small red onion finely chopped, half cup fresh cilantro chopped, 6 green onions chopped, jalapeno pepper diced, half avocado chopped, 4 tablespoons of lime juice from about 2 limes, but I actually went out and bought just the lime juice, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and then a half cup of cottage cheese or feta crumbled. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop the video right here, and I'm going to bring you over to the stove. Okay, we're going to cook the corn, and what we're going to do is we're going to cook it so that it kind of not blackens the whole corn, but cooks it fairly good. You want to do this on high heat with some olive oil, or any kind of oil you have. And we're going to give a shout out to Penguin and Chef. They're the ones that gave actually Kelly the idea to try this. So that's where we got it from. The other thing, if you use the canned corn, make sure you drain it because there is some water in it. And of course, you don't really want a lot of water going into the oil. Okay, I think everybody gets the idea of what I'm doing with the corn. So the next time I see you, we'll be back over at the counter putting it all together. Okay, we are ready to put this all together. I have all the ingredients are pre-done.
Thanks to its sous chef.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to add in the peppers and the chopped red onion. Half cup cilantro and the avocado as well. The onions. Now we reduce some of this stuff, so that's up to individually how you want to do that. We didn't do let's see, the jalapeno pepper. Okay, so now I'm going to go to, oh, I didn't get my tablespoon out. Now 4 tablespoons of lime juice. And then a half teaspoon of cumin. Now we're gonna have lots of cumin in the house because wasn't sure if I had any and went and bought some. Oh yeah, you gotta make sure it's half. Yep. I don't got my glasses on. And then half a teaspoon of the smoked paprika. Oops. Oh, sorry, I need my quarter teaspoon because I need a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Just cut that down just a little bit. And a quarter teaspoon of salt. A 2 tablespoons of sour cream or yogurt. Obviously, I'm just using a normal tablespoon. Two tablespoons of mayo. And then a half a cup of the cotija or feta cheese. And it is crumbled. And we're just going to mix it up. It smells yummy. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is our Mexican street corn salad. Next time I'll see you, it'll be over at the table for the taste test. We're ready to try the corn. And the corn salad. Mmm.
Yummy.
Mm-hmm. I'll tell you, that would be a great garnish in a fajita.
Yeah?
Yeah. Not that I wouldn't go out and make it all just to have.
No, but if we were having it.
Mm-hmm.
Like we could have had fajitas with it.
Mm-hmm.
So, but we're having ribs. Yummy.
Well, I
ribs.
would have put it on my fajitas.
Mm-hmm.
But it's yummy. Yeah. So I couldn't get them as blackened as I wanted to because popcorn, yeah, they were literally starting to jump in the pan. So
That's okay.
very good, very tasty.
Mm-hmm.
So an easy recipe to follow. So I will make sure I'll put a picture at the end of this. Or actually, no, I will add the link down below to this recipe. I don't need to take a picture of the recipe. I'll just add a link to it. Yeah, so it'll be there. That's it, folks, for this week. And I always end it. I don't know what I'm gonna make, but I'm sure Kelly will tell me. See you next week, folks.